Песня про красную шапочку.
Here we go. Hey little girl, you look so nice in that pretty red dress with those pretty black eyes.
Hello, Mr. Wolf. Well, what a surprise to find you here so deep in the night.
My dear little thing, what's the rush? How about supper, just the two of us?
Oh, Mr. Wolf, you want me to stay, but I feel we'll regret it one day.
You have the thing I love, but the need in me is way too much. If I open wide, one of us may get lost inside. Me or you, one of us is going to need to die. My dear little thing, just a bite, and you will be consumed with delight.
Oh, Mr. Wolf, my hunger's real, but they say there's more to love than a meal.
They're old and uptight, what do they know? I'm all appetite, you'll help me to grow.
Oh, my love, I want you to, but my desire may prove your doom.
You have the thing I love, but the need in me is way too much. If I open wide, one of us may get lost inside. Me or you, one of us is going to need to die. If I taste you, will we know if love kills or takes you home, tears you open, takes you home. You have the thing I love, but the fear in me is way too much. If I